put the debate to rest. It's time. All right, it's time. Both combatants are ready. Then it's time to put the debate to rest.
When I fight dude, it's nuts or nothing, dipshit. Finally. I can't wait to eat such a nice, tasty...
Ugh! This burger tastes like shit! $5 wasted.
Hey! Why would you throw away such a delicious burger?
That shit tasted like ass. Suits you though.
Whoa! Never fuck with the guy with the mask.
You've got a lot of balls for fucking with a guy with a goddamn laser gun. This all seems a little too scripted, don't you think?
The hell are you talking about?
What are the chances if we meet up?
You threw the burger at me.
And on that, where the hell were you keeping that
up yours? When I fight dudes, it's nuts or nothing, dipshit.
son of a... Alright, here's the big one!
Now you're dead!
Crap. Okay, bring it on, freak!
Time for Operation Super Smart!
Sweet jackpot! Strawberry on the shortcake! I got just the move for it.
You think you're the only one with super special moves? Behold, the almighty Jigsaw!
Fuck this guy!
Shit!
Juice.
Blood! Now!
Bobby, what is that man doing?
Wait. It's not what it looks like.
Oh my god! Look away, sweetie. People these days.
Oh, snap.
You think you can run from me?
Instant. Let the bloodshed begin!
this could have been avoided if you just ate that burger!
That burger was ass! Sound hungry. So how about you eat this? Oh, sweet! $5!
So, are the coins based off of like net worth or something? How many coins didn't come out of me? This battle was pretty clear cut. While Denji's very resilient and has his own unique abilities, Travis just completely outclassed him in every single way. For starters, while Denji is a bit crafty, Travis is used to fighting a lot more highly skilled assassins and other skilled combatants, which means that Denji's only hope was relying mainly on his abilities alone, but even that was lacking. Starting off with strength, we can compare Denji to devils like the Typhoon, Bomb, Eruption, and even Gun Devil, all which can decimate entire cities at full potential. But even that's no match for Travis, who's directly fought against Fu, who can destroy planets, and he's fought him on base. If you want any more, you can just go full henchman and kick Denji's ass just like that. But to give credit where credit is due, Denji's insane regeneration would mean that he'd be able to take on a lot of Travis's punishment, which means that Travis would need to kill him fast enough in order for the regeneration to not be a factor. Speaking of speed, Denji's best direct speed feat was reacting to the Gun Devil fragments, who can move around 400 times the speed of sound. And if you're low on a stretch it, he could also scale to the Angel Devil light spears, which would put Denji around light speed. Maybe. Well, Travis is able to fight full-face enemies who can attack at speeds of light also, and that's not even the first or only time Travis has done it, which means that Travis can not only overpower Denji's regeneration, but even outpace it. So with a wider arsenal, even wider skills, and just all-around higher stats in total, Travis made sure that Denji had no more chances at winning. I don't even know anymore. That one's such a stretch, dog. The winner is TravisTouchdown.
Hold it, you violence-loving bastards. Before you start your desperate struggling, you should drop a nice save.
Yo, it's your boy McJesus here to tell you all thanks. Thanks for supporting us, and thanks for your patience. As you may know, this next one will be our season finale, and from then on, we will continue on to do more. This has been really fun, and I hope we can continue on doing it. So without further ado, here is our season finale.
Ya está aquí el último modelo. Ahora en más colores, y en gris, y en